Hello, my name is Nathan Olmstead and I'm a research analyst with the Niagara Parks Commission. Niagara Parks is responsible for preserving and promoting the natural and cultural heritage along the Niagara River corridor, stretching from Fort Erie to Niagara-on-the-Lake. We operate many natural attractions, restaurants, golf courses, retail spaces, and facilities along the 56-kilometer Niagara Parkway. We recently hosted an intern from the University of Niagara Falls, Canada, and what stood out to me most when working with Liliana was how seamlessly her academic learning translated into practical business value. She used a variety of tools, including Excel and Power BI, to analyze sales and survey data, develop reports for senior leadership, and deliver operational insights that spoke directly to the challenges and opportunities that we face in the tourism sector. Hosting this intern helped us to address an important business need that we were unable to fully support internally. Liliana's data analytics expertise strengthened our reporting processes, enabled more targeted and actionable insights, and helped us to better understand and leverage the data we generate as an organization. Her work also helped identify gaps in our current operations and opportunities for improvement. Throughout the internship, Liliana demonstrated strong technical skills, the ability to work independently, and the flexibility to manage multiple priorities while collaborating effectively with our team. She consistently adapted her work to meet our organizational needs and deliver meaningful results. Work-integrated learning opportunities like UNF's internship component play an important role in strengthening industry-academic partnerships. They create an environment where students gain real-world experience, while organizations like ours explore new ways to build capacity and innovate. We would absolutely welcome the opportunity to work with UNF students again in the future. Their contributions are valuable, and we're pleased to support hands-on learning in the tourism sector.
Hi, my name is Liliana Camargo, and I am studying the Master of Data Analytics program at UNF. During my internship, I worked on a data analytics project focused on building Power BI dashboard to analyze and visualize operational and performance data. My favorite part of the experience was applying data analytics to real-world situations and seeing how my work translates into tools that support actual business decisions. This internship allowed me to apply what I learned in my program in a very practical way. I use data analysis and visualization concepts to interpret data, generate insights, and present findings clearly. The hands-on experience strengthened my technical skills and helped me better understand how academic learning connects to real business needs. This experience has given me a strong professional experience that I can confidently bring into future roles. I'm very grateful to Niagara Parks, my supervisor Nathan, Katie, and the intern team for their guidance and support, as well as to UNF for providing this opportunity. Work interactive learning at UNF truly connects academic knowledge with professional practice. I'm Liliana, and innovations flows here.